Today we see how to solve the simultaneous equation by using Cramer's rule. Practice set 1.3, question number 3. Second problem. 4x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y. Four x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. We rearrange this is as 4x plus 3y is equal to 4. The next step is 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y. We again rearrange this is at 6x plus 5y is equal to 8. Now for finding the solution by the Cramer's rule, we have to find the value of the determinant. In last video we see how to calculate the determinant. Before that we have to write down the simultaneous equation one by one below. The first is 4x plus 3y is equal to 4. 6x plus 5y is equal to 8. The next step is we have to find the value of determinant. First d. This d is equal to, for finding d, we have to put your finger, okay, and write the coefficient of x and y. Here the coefficient of x and y, this is x coefficient 4, 6 and 3, 5. Find the value of this determinant. This is equal to, we have to know 4 into 5 minus 3 into 6. 4 into 5 is 20 minus 3 into 6 is 18. This is equal to 2. This d is equal to 2. Next we have to find the value of determinant. Dx is equal to, for that put the finger on x and write down the coefficient of remaining y and this c. Here we put finger on x. On that first place we are adding the c, value of c, that is 4, 8, and remaining value of y is 3, 5. We have to calculate the value of this dx. Again cross multiplication, 4 into 5 minus 3 into 8. 4 into 5 is 20 minus 3 into 8 is 24, and this is 20 minus 24, it becomes minus 4. d of x is equal to minus 4. The next step is we have to calculate the value of dy. dy is equal to, again we have to put the finger on this y, okay, and write down the coefficient of x and value of c. 4, 6 and 4, 8. This is 4, 6, 4, 8. Here we get the value of dy as cross multiplication, 4 into 8 minus 4 into 6. 4 into 8 is 32 minus 24. 32 minus 24, it gives 8. dy is equal to 8. Here we get the value of now d, dx and dy. Now we have to find the value of x and y. For that, first we know that x is equal to dx upon d. Value of dx is minus 4 upon 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 minus 2, and y is equal to dy upon d. Value of dy is 8, 8 upon 2. Therefore this y is equal to 8 upon 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. This is 4. Therefore the solution of the equation is x value is minus 2, value is 4. This is the solution. Okay, in this way we find the value of x and y by using Cramer's rule. We see another problem number 2. Now take the problem number 4. (6x minus 4y is equal to minus 12). 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. We have to solve this simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule. You write this is 6x minus 4y is equal to minus 12. 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. Here we write down first value of determinant d. We know that how to calculate this. 6, 8 minus 4 minus 3. We have to put finger here, write the equation of x and y. Now here we have to find the value of determinant d. Cross multiplication. 6 into minus 3 minus into bracket minus 4 into 8. Now 6 into minus 3 is minus 18. This minus minus become plus. 4 into 8 is 32. Minus 18 plus 32 it gives 14. Value of d is 14. Now we have to take now the value of dx is equal to, here we have to put finger here. First write down the c, then the y quotient. Minus 12 minus 2 minus 4 minus 3. This is equal to minus 12 into minus 3 minus 4 into minus 2. This minus minus plus. 12 into 3 is 36. This minus minus plus, minus n as it is. 4 into 2 is 8, and 36 minus 8 is 28. d of x is equal to 28. Now next, d of y is equal to, here we have to put the finger here. Y, write down first coefficient of x, then c. 6, 8 minus 12 minus 2. This is equal to 6 into minus 2 minus 8 into minus 12. 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. This minus minus become plus. 12 into 8 is 96. Minus 12 plus 96 it gives 84. dy is equal to 84. Now next is we have to find the value of x and y. We know that x is equal to dx upon d. Value of dx is 28. Value of d is 14. 14 2s are 28. Therefore x is equal to 2. Y is equal to dy upon d. dy is 84 upon 14. And we know the 14 ones are 14. 14 6 are 84. Therefore y is equal to 6. Therefore here the solution of equation is value of x is 2, y6 is the solution. Okay, in this way we calculate the value of x and y by using Cramer's rule. Please solve the remaining problem. If you have any doubt, contact me. Please subscribe this channel